Zcoiners, this is Sandra from Zcoin, and I'm here to give you a quick guide on how to ensure you're updated to the latest Zcoin wallet version. The Zcoin French Drop 13.5 represents a major upgrade with an entirely rewritten Zcoin implementation with improved performance and security, and also comes in with an inbuilt Tor integration. Now see the link below to learn more about Zcoin's Tor integration. Now if you're running a Znode, the process is a bit more involved, but if you're using a Znode provider, please contact them to make sure they're already updated to 13.5.7. If you're updating your Znodes, you can refer to this detailed guide. Alright, now let's get to it. First of all, start up your wallet and make sure you do a backup just for safety. You do this by going to File and then Backup. Go ahead and make sure you save it in a separate location. Name it something that you can remember that it is the old version and not the new wallet version. Now close the wallet. On Windows, you do this by going to File and then Exit, or pressing Ctrl Q. On Mac, you do this by going to the Zcoin tab and click Quit Zcoin Core. Next is to download the new version from zcoin.io/getzcoin and extract the executable or DMG anywhere. Now for the exe file for Windows, download it, run it, and reindex it. It will normally reindex automatically, however, do give it half an hour to an hour to reindex. Now the DMG file is for Mac. Just drag into your applications folder and replace the older version. This also should prompt a reindex, so you shouldn't worry about it. If you're already on the version 13.5.5 or 5.6, do you have to update it? Yes, please, absolutely. If you're facing some problems with the 5.5 or 5.6 version, for example, after downloading the newest version 5.7, and if you close your wallet and reopen it, and even though you are connected to many connections, it might get stuck and refuse to sync and say no block source available. However, do give it some time to reconnect to peers before assuming that it is stuck. So maybe give it around 1 minute. Now what do you do next? You need to do a reindex because it might be corrupted and you will have to rebuild the index. For Windows, open the folder where the Zcoin Qt 0.13.5 file is located, hold Shift, right-click inside the folder and select Open Command Window here. Now in the command prompt that appears, type this into there. Now for Windows 10 users, a recent update to Windows 10 has changed the default command prompt to PowerShell. If this is the case, right-click inside the folder and click Open PowerShell window here. You can then click and drag the file into the PowerShell window and add in the reindex flag. Now if PowerShell has already displayed the directory Zcoin Qt blah 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 .file is in, you can type this in there. Now you can also type this and press Tab to have it autocomplete before typing the reindex flag. Now for Mac OS, go to the app terminal. You can type in terminal in the search bar as well. Now after that, enter the following command. Alright, now to check and make sure it is syncing correctly, you can check out the block time. To do that, go to Help and then Debug window. It should be on the first page, on the general page. You should be able to see the current number of blocks increasing. If for whatever reason your wallet cannot connect to any peers and has 0 connections, please check with your internet service provider or check your firewall setting. Okay, to check if you are connected to peers, go to Help, click on Debug window again, and click on the Peers tab this time. You can also mouse over to the bottom right-hand icon to see a summary of what is happening. Now if you would like a text version of the reindex instructions, it is available here. Click on it, read it, and take your time. Now, some of you may ask, do I need to use Tor while synchronizing? Well, there's no need to use Tor during synchronization because it will slow down the process and it is only used for transacting. However, once you untick Tor, please remember to restart the app again. Now that's all. If you have any trouble, do contact us via email, Telegram, Discord, and all the other available channels, we're there for you. Or you can go to www.zcoin.io/blog for more information. Happy upgrading and see you soon!